Good afternoon. What high school did you attend? I attend Institution 5, Loma Fresca. When did you do graduating? I'm graduating on December 5th, 2020. What was your experience at high school life? My experience was very pleasant. I have very good teacher, classmate. Who was your best school friend? Why? I have the best friend named Catherine Orellano because I sit in the stairs. The institution sheet always cares about me. What did you do after your graduation? After graduating, I taught a technical course at Sena. What did you miss from Y? I miss Y classmate because it was one of my best time. When did you start university? I stayed in my university career in the year 2020. Why did you choose your career? I chose my careers because I'm currently in technical, especially in business logistics in the Oslos because it really helped me professionally. Thank you.